There it is, the perfect shot. You aim your camera, adjust the focus, adjust the focus, adjust the focus, adjust the focus. What the heck? A dirty lens. Oh no. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your camera lens. Now the tools that we are going to use are a cleaning rag, a brush, cleaning fluid, and an airbrush. And so to begin, we're going to take the airbrush and we're just going to blow off the glass screen just to get the initial layers of dust off of it. Then you're going to take the cleaning fluid and you're going to spray your rag. Just 1 or 2 spritz, maybe 3. Make sure you spray the rag and not the actual lens itself. And then with the damp rag, you're going to gently wipe off your glass. And make sure that you don't have any grit left on there, or else you could be rubbing that into the glass and scratching it. So once you do that, you then just let it dry. You can also take your airbrush and speed up the process. Now you're going to take your cap and put it back on just to protect it. Now we do the same thing for the bottom. And we're just a couple sprays on your cloth just to make it wet, and then gently wipe off the glass. I like the airbrush to dry. Kind of gets rid of any streaks that you could make with your cleaning solution. And you cover that back up. Now, stretch it out with your normal brush. Just brush out any sand that could possibly have gotten in there and damage the gears. And you can also do this to your caps. Make sure you put your cap right back on when you're done. Now, as a way of prevention, you can get one of these filters. This is a UV filter, and then screw it on to the end of your lens. And then your lens has a protection, another layer of glass to protect it. And so if anything scratches it, it just scratches your filter and not your actual lens. The filters are cheap. The lens is expensive. So there you have it. There's how you can clean your camera lens. And you can do the same thing with your viewfinder and your sensor on your camera. Just be very careful with your sensor, as it's very delicate. And that's my video on how to clean your lens. Thank you. Now with your lens clean, you come back to the perfect shot. There it is. Adjust the focus and